delicious corn boiled in coconut milk with all of those natural flavors bursting. If you're interested in this amazing video, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss another upload. So if you're interested, come on and let's cook this. And for all my supporters, big up on yourself. Okay y'all, so these are a few of my ingredients. I have my corn on the cob. Now if you like, you could do yours smaller, or if you want to let it remain the size that I'm using. I have my scallion, and I have my thyme, and I also have my scotch bonnet pepper. Now what I'm going to be doing first is I'm going to place the corn in the pot. Now I'm using fresh corn. So if I use the one in the freezer, it may be too, what should I say now, like it will absorb too much of that coconut milk. So the fresh corn would be better, whereas the corn on the cob is going to have a little mushy taste then, because it's going to absorb too much of the liquid. Now I'm adding 3 cups of coconut milk. The more coconut milk, the better. Now I'm just adding like a half a cup of water. Now if you like, you can always use the same proportion of the water to the coconut milk, but I chose to use more coconut milk. Now I'm just adding my fresh seasoning to the pot. Bear in mind that the scotch bonnet pepper not going to make it spicy, it's just gonna give it a nice flavor. Also the scallion and the thyme. Now I'm adding some salt to taste. Then I'm gonna be adding some black pepper. Now if you are still watching the video and you haven't joined the family as yet, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you never miss another upload. Now if you do enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you can share the recipe, guys, I will be so happy. Now I'm just gonna give it a nice mix, because you want all of the flavors to be mixed together. Alright, so that's what I'm doing here. Now remember, you add the salt to your taste. So just cover the pot and let it come to a rapid boil. Afterwards I will show you the next step. So after the corn comes to a boil, you want to reduce your flame to a very low, because you don't want your corn to cook too fast. Alright, if you boil it on a high flame, sometimes some parts is tougher than some. You want it to cook evenly. So just cover your pot, put it on a medium-low flame, and let it cook for about 40 to 50 minutes. Well, it all depends on how hard your corn is. Some person's corn tougher than some. Alright, so this is my beautiful corn. It's bubbling away. And trust me guys, it smells so good. That nice coconut flavor with all of those aromas from the fresh seasoning. Oh my god guys, it smells so good. Now if you try the recipe, remember to comment down below and give me your feedback. So at this point, it's almost fully cooked, but I like when it have that nice little custard form on it. Alright, so at this point it's fully cooked. The custard form around the edges, and also some of that nice custard is also on the corn. When it's done, it will look just like that. Alright, so at this point I'm just gonna turn off my flame, and I'm just gonna serve my delicious corn on the cob. So I really enjoyed my corn on the cob. It has so much flavor from that coconut milk, and I love the custard that was formed on it, and guys, it was so good. So if you try the recipe, you're gonna love it, so please do try it. And big up on yourself, guys. Thanks for joining me. Thank you so much for your support. I hope to see you soon again. And take good care of yourself, guys, and bless upon yourself straight.